Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share my huge haul with you guys. So let's start. First of all, this is the winter time for me, so I wanna show you my winter face dry skin products. And this is my winter face dry skin product. This is Image Essential Dry Skin product. Currently I am using this product. I am super damn lover for this product. It is having lot of volume in this moisturizing texture and having a soft texture in this. So I am super damn lover for this product. I am a super damn huge whatever. I am a super lover for perfumes which are smelling like aroming like little less perfumes like how can I say that having like little amount of less amount of smells. I love this kind of perfumes a lot. In this perfumes, I have a lot of perfumes near to me, but in that stuff, one of my favorite perfume I want to show to you guys. This is like Annie Annie, which is made from datura flower and rose petals. This is having a super and less smelling aroming texture in this, so I am super lover for this. What can I say about this perfume? Definitely you wanna try this perfume. I'm a super lover for these. I'm using this from last 2 years. I am buying this in where can I say, in like onlines and wherever I am getting these products, I am searching, I am buying in that online shoppings or malls or everywhere, wherever I am getting this product, I am going to buy there because I am super lover for this product. I am not a huge fan for ELF products, but nowadays I am totally huge lover of ELF products and Maybelline products. And that one of that I recently bought like ELF mascara. I'm absolutely love with this product. It is having a lot of volume in this mascara. It is giving to my eyelashes a crazy eyelashes whenever I am going to do, and it is giving a lot of volume to my eyelashes, and I love this. And another one is like ELF eyeliner liquid. I am using this from past 1 year. I am absolutely love with this liquid. This is having a lot of, it is not a gel, it is having a liquid sense of like that, and I am seriously love with this. It is whenever I am going to texture my eyes in a good shape, this is a perfect eyeliner to give a good texture for you and a good shape for your eyes. I am so love with this. I am a huge, I can say a lot of times because I am a super lover for Wet n Wild lipsticks because it is having a lot of moisturizing textures. See on my lips, it is having a lot of moisturizing, so I love these lipsticks a lot. Whenever I am going out on winter times, I definitely prefer this kind of lipsticks whenever I am going out on, especially on winter times more than summer times, because it is having a lot of moisturizing in this Wet n Wild texture. I didn't saw any any moisturizing textures in other like Maybelline, what is that, Mac Studio. I didn't saw any that kind of volume texture and moisturizing texture on that products, but I really loved in this Wet n Wild product, which is having like a lot of moisturizing. Especially I love in this Wet n Wild products like 3 color. One is like grape color. This is grape color, which I currently applied now to my lips, and just crazy. and this is my brown color, maroon brown, somewhat like that. It is like maroon brown color, and this is my red gorgeous color. I am super lover for these lipsticks. I love this. This is my grape color lip gloss. I am using this current from past 1 year. I am really a huge fan for this. I don't know where I brought this, but I'm super lover for this lip gloss because it is having a lot of shiny texture for in this lip gloss. You can see now. See, it is having a lot of shiny and lot of liquid texture in this, so I'm super lover for this. Recently I brought color pops to my eyelid, and I used it in my past video which I uploaded like candlelight dinner. In that you can watch it out, and I'm seriously a huge fan for this. I love this a lot. I don't know, but this is giving a lot of shiny to my eyelid. Whenever I am doing all my makeups, it is having giving me a lot of shiny texture whenever I am going on night parties, and whenever I am doing on night makeups, it is giving like a lot of shiny in that lightings and all the things. So I love these products. I just buy only 3 products for current use. In that, these are the 3 colors which I bought recently. One is brown, and another one is gold, and another one is like peacock color. I absolutely love peacock color and gold brown color eye pop. I'm using for my smoky eyes. Whenever I'm going to do my makeup tutorial like smoky eyes, I'm using this. I'm preferring this brown color. Sorry, what is this? And for my hair, I am using from past 3 months, 3 to 4 months, this hairspray, which is when I am going to blow my hair, I am using this blow dry spray. This is Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Voluming Blow Dry Spray. I buy this from Ipsy.com. In that all the stuff, I absolutely love this product more than the other stuffs. This is whenever I am going to spray little mist to my hair, it is giving lot of volume to my hair, so I am absolutely love with this. You can also search in like a lot of online, you can buy there also. More than Ipsy.com, you can search it there. I'm seriously loving this with this product. More than applying to my nails, I love to set all the colors in my room. Like I have a lot of colors near to me, but I have lot of shapes which is like having like Hello Kitty shape in nail polishes. But I recently brought when I went to the shopping malls, I just searched a lot of things, and there is like how can I say that, there is like a little cute stuff there is there. It is none other than these cute stuff. How cute it is. I am absolutely love with this teddy bear. This is looking so cute, and the color is so cute. So I bought this color and another 2 colors like these and these colors. This is so cool and so cute colors, and the shape also, it is like whenever you are going to decor your room, it is giving a good gorgeous look for your room. And your nails also, it will be like a cool color for your nails whenever you are going to apply these colors. It is like having a so cool colors. It is not hard colors, it is light colors. So I absolutely love with these 3 colors and 3 cute teddy bears. I recently brought a lot of stuff to my beauty room. and in that I am not a lover and not I didn't like the stuff also. It is like this one. It is concealer and contour. I'm just okay with this, but I'm not liking and I'm not loving this product. If you want to try this for your skin, you can try this and you can love it. But for my skin, I'm not loving and I'm not liking this product. It's okay to me. And for my daily use, I'm using this Sweet Pea body mist, which is made from this flower. I'm absolutely love with this. I'm using this from past 6 months. Before that I'm using like Body Works and Body Shop products, but currently now on recently 6 months I am using like this product. I am also love with this product. I love that product and I love this product too. Both products I am damn love with that products. And this is having a less amount of essence, and whenever I am just spraying on my skin, it is giving me a smooth soft texture, so I am loving with this product. I said you already I brought a lot of stuff to my beauty room. In that I want to say one thing. Whenever my husband shows to me, you want to buy this product or not, but I am so excited to buy that product. I know for the next morning I need that product near to me, so finally I brought that product. I'm so happy for that. It is this one. This is like a 8 spin loose powder. I used this one at the first time in my past upload video. It is a candlelight makeup tutorial. You can watch it out there. At the first time I applied there, but seriously I'm telling, like, this is a super product which the skin, it is giving like a perfect shape whenever you are going to do makeup. I'm seriously love with this. I'm actually love when I didn't brought this product, but it is with me now. I'm super lover for this product. I'm so excited to buy this product, but finally it is with me. And finally but not least, I bought a lot of stuff for my beauty room to decor my room, especially to decor my room. I saw it in my Dollar Tree. It is having like Thanksgiving, every products they are setting there a lot of products for this Thanksgiving day. So I bought it. Is like, you know, having a lot of gorgeous and lot of gooding look sense in that. So I buy this product. It is like this one. This is having, see, it is having a lot of shiny, and especially I love red color, and it is having a lot of shiny. Whenever I am just setting my light in near my mirror at the night times, it is giving a good look for that lighting and for my room when at the night times especially. And this is the silver color. I buy both the colors, like red and silver color. I love red, but I love this color also because it is having lot of shiny in this. See how shiny it is. See, and in this at the same time I buy for my hair this tiny hairpins. I love this one too. It is see, it is looking like small tiny hairpins. Whenever I am going to blow my hair, I am just pinning up my hair with these pins. So I love this one also. That's it. I hope you all enjoyed with my products and my video. If you like all my products, please give a thumbs up to my channel. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget likes and comments in my comment bar. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.